Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automatic Nerf guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Toy Gun Automatic Electric Foam Blaster by Coldfire. This blaster is an excellent option for younger kids and families who want safe, fun, and engaging indoor or outdoor battles. Its standout feature is the 20-dart rotating drum, providing a decent capacity for continuous firing without frequent reloads. Plus, it comes with a whopping 200 EVA foam darts, including suction cup and standard tips, which add versatility to your playstyle. The design is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for kids aged 6 to 12. Its rechargeable battery ensures eco-friendly use, offering up to 4 to 7 hours of runtime on a single charge. However, the firing range maxes out at 50 feet, which may feel limited compared to higher-end models. The build quality is decent for the price, though it lacks the premium feel of competitors. This blaster is perfect for casual, family-friendly battles and is a solid budget pick for those looking for a no-frills experience. Pros include the generous supply of darts and rechargeable battery, but its shorter firing range and somewhat basic design are trade-offs. Overall, it's a great entry-level choice for younger players. Coming in at number 4 is the Pro Sender Half-Length Semi-Automatic Dart Blaster by Nerf. This is the most affordable option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. It packs a serious punch with its high-velocity blasting capability of up to 150 FPS. Designed for competitive play, this blaster is perfect for teens and adults who want to elevate their Nerf battles to a professional level. The build quality is solid, featuring durable materials that can withstand high-intensity games. The included half-length darts are engineered for extreme accuracy and distance, and the 15-dart magazine ensures smooth reloading during gameplay. It even comes with protective eyewear for safety during competitive matches. However, keep in mind that it requires 8 AA batteries, which aren't included, and the semi-automatic firing mode may not satisfy fans of full auto chaos. The Pro Sender is ideal for players who prioritize precision and velocity over sheer firepower. Its pros include affordability, competitive-grade performance, and thoughtful extras like eyewear, while its cons are the reliance on batteries and semi-auto functionality. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for those looking to get the most bang for their buck. At number 3, we have the X-Shot Insanity Motorized Clip Mania. This blaster is all about extended gameplay thanks to its innovative clip system that lets you combine 3 clips into one massive storage unit. With a firing range of up to 98 feet, it's perfect for outdoor battles where long-distance precision can make all the difference. The motorized Clip Mania boasts impressive firing power and uses air pocket technology darts for enhanced accuracy and speed. It's well-built and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver during fast-paced games. However, it requires 6 AA batteries, which adds to the running cost over time. While the clip system and modular design are standout features, it lacks some of the premium accessories, like a tripod or scope, found in higher-end models. This blaster is ideal for players who value extended gameplay and tactical versatility. Its pros include the long firing range, modular clip system, and solid performance. On the downside, it does require frequent battery replacements, and some users may find the clip system cumbersome during high-intensity battles. Still, it's a great all-around option for teens and adults. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Jackmine Electric Automatic Toy Blaster. This blaster is designed for domination, featuring a rotating belt-fed system that can decimate opponents with ease. It boasts a firing range of up to 100 feet, making it one of the most powerful foam blasters on our list. The 2-mode functionality lets you switch between single-shot precision and full auto chaos, catering to various playstyles. The design is ergonomic and sturdy, with a bright green aesthetic that stands out. The included scope adds accuracy for long-range targets, while the 100 dart bundle ensures you won't run out of ammo mid-battle. Its rechargeable battery provides over 6 hours of continuous play, making it ideal for marathon battles. However, the higher price point and slightly bulky design may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers or younger players. This blaster is perfect for players who want a balance of power, versatility, and endurance. Pros include the extended battery life, impressive firing range, and versatile modes, while cons are its premium price and bulkier design. It's a fantastic choice for those who take their foam battles seriously. Taking the crown at number 1 is the X-Shot Insanity Motorized Ragefire by Zuru. With a 40-dart belt-fed system, this blaster delivers relentless firepower, launching 40 darts in a row with ease. Its modular design is packed with premium accessories, including a scope for precision, a rotating tripod for 360-degree blasting, and dart storage units that hold an additional 46 darts. It's the ultimate choice for players who want to dominate the battlefield. The build quality is exceptional, combining durability and style into a single package. Despite its impressive size, the Ragefire remains surprisingly maneuverable, allowing you to detach it from the tripod for mobile gameplay. The firing range is up to 98 feet, ensuring you can hit distant targets without breaking a sweat. However, it does require 6 AA batteries, which are not included. And the initial price is the highest on our list. This blaster is perfect for players who demand the best of the best. Pros include its incredible firepower, modular design, and premium accessories, while cons are the high price and reliance on batteries. If you're looking for the ultimate foam blaster experience, the Ragefire is the undisputed champion. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.